and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jillian and today I have a really quick speed clean with me. It's more of like a tidy up. I just had a few things that I wanted to go ahead and get done. So it is going to be a speed clean with me. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys a few cleaning hacks. These are hacks that I use all the time that work really well. I'm pretty sure I found all of these on Pinterest, but these are just cleaning hacks I figured I would share with you guys to maybe give you guys some tips and tricks of your own. All right, you guys, so enough of my rambling. Let's go ahead and jump into today's video. All right, you guys, so I'm going to be starting off this speed cleaning slash cleaning hack video in my bedroom. I'm just going to quickly make my bed, and then I will be moving over to my bathroom, and I'm just going to give it a really quick wipe down, and then I will go focus on different areas in the house that I wanted to quickly pick up on this morning before heading out to run some errands.
For who you are, you're the fighter that kills the scar. Show the world what kind you are. Show your light like a star. Don't be scared for who you are. You're the fighter that kills the scar. Show me your flag, show me your flag. Whoa, whoa, show me your flag, show me your flag.
And if you guys are wondering what I'm using to wipe down my bathroom counters and also my mirror, it's just the Love and Planet multi-purpose spray, and the rose scent smells so good. You guys have heard me rage about it many times, but I'm just going to use that and a microfiber cloth to wipe down the counter and also the mirror. So this first cleaning hack is how to clean your shower head. You're gonna need some white distilled vinegar, some essential oil, a Ziploc bag, and some type of tie. So just add a little bit of the vinegar in your Ziploc bag. I did not measure this out, but you can. I'll probably say use about a cup and a half. Add a few drops of your essential oil, which is optional, and then just place this over your shower head and tie it. The first time I did this, I did it overnight, but on this day, I just let it sit there for a few hours during the day. And then once it was done, I just let the water run for a little bit so it can get all the vinegar out, and it will clean and sanitize your shower head. Now for the second hack I'm going to share with you guys is how to get stains out of your rug. Just use any type of dish soap. I was using the Mrs. Meyer's, but I do like to use the Dawn the best, but I did not have any Dawn on hand. I feel like that works the best, but just put a little bit of the dish soap on whatever spot you're trying to get out of your rug with a washcloth. This was a washcloth that I dipped in some very hot water and just scrub away. Hack number 3 is when you wash your shoes and you want to dry them. Anytime I put them in the dryer, they're like going crazy in the dryer, so just let the shoestrings stick out of your dryer and close it, and then that will prevent it from moving around in the dryer and making a lot of ruckus noise. So that is my third hack for you guys. Now I'm just moving on to my kitchen. I'm going to quickly clean up my kitchen and my living room, and then I'll be sharing one more hack with you guys in just a minute.
Show me your flag. Whoa, whoa, show me your flag. Show me your flag. Whoa, whoa, show me your flag. Show me your flag. Whoa, whoa, show me your flag. Show me your flag. Whoa, whoa. Only you when it matters. Don't you care about me at all? Is this love in the gutter? Or will we pick ourselves up tonight? And I thought that we could fly so high, and I was so wrong. Don't need someone.
My last and final hack for you guys is how to clean water bottles. I use this to clean my water bottles and also the kids. Just get a baby bottle brush and just wet it, put a little bit of soap on it, and you're able to clean out your water bottles and get all the way to the bottom. I also like it has like that little bristle. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to pull out from the bottom, and that will clean the top of your water bottle, like where the straw is. So I just put a little bit of soap on there, and I was able to get in all the little crevices and clean it out really well. I do this for my bottles and also the kids. If you guys would like me to do another video with some more cleaning hacks, let me know in the comments. I do have many more cleaning hacks, but I only shared with you guys 4 in this one. If you guys are interested, then I can film another video sharing a few more cleaning hacks with you guys.
I just really need a brand new start. This love is in the gutter. We will never pick ourselves up, and I thought that we could fly so high, and I was so wrong. Don't need someone bad like you, sticking to my heart like a tattoo. Don't need someone bad like you, sticking to my heart like a tattoo. Show the world who you are. Show your flag like a man. Don't be scared for who you are. You're the fighter that kills the scar. Show the world what kind you are. Show your light like a star. Don't be scared for who you are. You're the fighter that kills the scar. Show me your flag, show me your flag. Whoa, whoa.
The last thing I will be doing in this cleaning video is just cleaning off the front and back windows. Those are the 2 main windows that get the most fingerprints from the kids. So I quickly wiped those down. So just want to say thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe and turn on your notification bell if you have not already. I would love to have you be a part of my YouTube family. As always, thank you so much for watching and all of your support. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.